Hello everyone, I am Ravi Kumar from student of National Institute of Agricultural Marketing, Jaipur, Rajasthan, and I have recently undergone the subject that is Quantitative Techniques for Agribusiness Management. And my learnings under this subject, like I understood the basic statistical concepts like mean, median, mode, standard deviation, hypothesis, statistical errors, t-test, correlation, difference between variance and covariance, simple linear and multiple regression, autocorrelation, dummy variable, game theory, and Markov chain, and also some other concepts. Well, statistics is a measures that is obtained from statistical tools and techniques on the basis of sample characters. Now I'm coming to the mean, median, and mode. The terms mean, median, and mode are used to describe the central tendency of large set of data. Well, now I'm coming to the standard deviation. Standard deviation, we have one formula for identification of standard deviation, that is S is equal to sigma square root of x minus x per whole square all divided by n minus 1. Now I'm coming to the hypothesis. Hypothesis means the assumption of unknown parameter is called as hypothesis. We have two types of hypothesis. One is null hypothesis and another one is alternative hypothesis. Null hypothesis, the assumption that a set of unknown parameters do not differ is called as null hypothesis. If a set has only one parameter, the assumption is that it does not differ from any assigned value is called as null hypothesis. We are denoting the null hypothesis in the form of H naught. Next is alternative hypothesis. The hypothesis is formed for acceptance in case of rejection of null hypothesis is called as alternative hypothesis. We are denoting the alternative hypothesis in the form of H1. Statistical errors. We have two types of statistical errors. One is type 1 error and another one is type 2 error. Type 1 error means the rejection of null hypothesis when it is true is called as type 1 error. Type 2 error means the acceptance of null hypothesis when it is false is called type 2 error. T-test. It is one of the best statistics classified under the parametric test group. It is widely applicable and used under the situation with the sample size less than or equal to 30. Next I am coming to the correlation. Correlation means the relation between two variables in bivariate data is called as correlation. We have four types of correlation. One is direct correlation, indirect correlation, uncorrelated variables, and zero correlation. Okay. Now I am coming to the difference between variance and covariance. The variance and covariance are the two measures used in statistics. The variance is a measure of scatter of data, and covariance indicates the degree of change of two random variables together. Next, the difference between simple linear and multiple regression means the simple regression is performed between one independent variable and one dependent variable, but the multiple regression is performed between more than one independent variable and one dependent variable. Next is autocorrelation. Autocorrelation is also called as serial correlation. Autocorrelation or serial correlation is a characteristics of data in which the correlation between the values of same variables is based on the related objects. Dummy variables. Dummy variable is one that takes the value 0 or 1 to indicate the absence or presence of some categorological effect that may be expressed to shift the outcome. Next is game theory. Game theory is a study of mathematical models of conflicts and cooperation between intelligent rational decision makers. And the last one is Markov chain. Markov chain is a stochastic process that satisfies the Markov properties. It's called as Markov chain. Thank you so much.